Good afternoon. My name is Camilo Andrés Martinez. Proposal to solve the digital transformation problem. For this is necessary to have a series of applications that have a common goal which allows use to optimize production process and make team more competitive, find to more makes and to better serve customers. 1. Assumes change as something positive. 2. Put competition above hierarchy. 3. Constantly use technology and what is the rallies does will. 4. Creation of news as alternates to search for now use. The sample is every component, no matter its composition, must be included is the transformation, as shown by the image from the smallest of the large. They have to take this transformation. The following aspects must be taken in account when applying the transformation: marketing, sales challenger, product, talent humano. The digital transformation offers evaluate proportions such as the entity company must accelerate the innovation process. That is with demonstrated in the database. It is shown how application in production processes are essential. The stock of software that facilitate work and increase competitiveness. In the graph, we observe the use of the database as a tool for data collection and better processing. Database. There is a software that facilitates process, improving the performance of the company and encouraging customers. Does the company use software for accounting billing purposes of expense controls? Yes. If your answer to the previous question was yes, please indicate software stone. How to approach the challenges to achieve transformation. Direct transformation into customers' needs, not product. Technology alone is not enough with a strategy. Change comes from people that is you must educate your staff of different experience to your customers through the challenges use. Thank you.